He's finally going back in the water, so it's going to be our turn to haul out. We would have done it today, but the weather said, why don't you just wait a day?
Okay, we're getting the boat secured on the car here. Poor Arona's down in that water. Oh my god. Today it is disgusting, man. Oh god, oh, they fixed the sewage problem in here. So, nasty. Anyways, he's brave. He's checking, make sure that the boat is well positioned so we can lift it out. Here he comes. Okay, here we go. The boat's all tied into place, moored to this cart. I'm always a little worried, guys, when we do this. Okay, holy shit, here we go. The cart is moving. Holy shit, please hold on, man. That good? Yeah. We're going up now. You have no idea how spooky this is. This is worse than a freaking ride at some fucking Luna Park, Six Flags thing. Oh shit. Man, it's just shaking around. White knuckles! Oh man. Oh, it's shaking around, shaking around. Wheels are turning in the muck. Galopin's holding steady. But he's up, he's holding steady. Oh, Arona, you are one heck of a man. If we could pin a medal on this guy for his sheer awesomeness, my goodness. He's doing this all alone too. He used to have a adjutant to help her, but he told me he died of a freaking heart attack. He was young, like in 30 something. Jesus Christ.
Just then, a boy was calling out, Monsieur, Monsieur. I looked down and he pointed out that a set of wheels had fallen off.
On est bien posé?
Oh non, là, ça trempe pas.
Ok.
Il y a d'autres problèmes beaucoup plus inquiétants que ça.
Ouais, dis-moi.
Non, c'est le câble. Parce qu'en tirant, à mon avis, il y a la manie de pourri qui a lâché.
According to Arona, we lost 2 wheels out of 18, so we still had 16 left. He'll put them back on later. Early the next day, the crew came by to start work. I was recommended to hire 3 guys to sand and paint the hull. It would cost about $15 per guy. I don't do this stuff myself because it's a dirty job and I'm just too good for it. And if I don't hire the guys to work, I won't feel comfortable hanging out with them to drink tea and smoke herb.
Watching the Olympics, also had some strong ginger tea there. And a little dovage action.
No one likes a cheap white dude.
So here we are in the hard with Galopin, where the beach was all cleaned up a few days ago and then the sand washed away a bunch of this crap. It's too bad. They're trying to really keep this place clean, but it's not easy. Anyways, when we brought this thing up, this cart, these wheels fell off. Kind of freaked me out, man. This cart is in need of some help. You gotta use some ladder to get up here because the steps are busted. It's pretty nasty. Anyways, Ahona has already done a good part of the job, taking the propeller off so we can get the cutlass bearing. He's trying to get to the cutlass bearing. You'll notice here on the rudder, there's some marks. I'm like, I don't remember hitting anything. Then I'm like, oh, the fishing net. Oh, fishing net got gouged on my my rudder, man. Ooh. Wow.
Arona brought over a newer ladder for us to climb up and down Galopin. I reserved the guys for 3 days, but these guys are fast and effective. They'll be done by today. Cool. It'll save me a little money, and I'll still get to hang with them. And the guys were rapidly making over Galopin.
C'est toi qui as fait ça, Moula?
And Wendy got used to going up and down the ladder. No problem. It was interesting to watch life on the beach from above. We didn't cook that much up there, and we had to use the club's facilities for shower and you know what. I asked Iba, the fiberglass specialist, to fix my rudder. About 15 bucks. Robert, the dinghy expert, patched up my dinghy for about 20 bucks. And this is the best part of the job, the makeover reveal.
Lena and I just finished a couple big jobs, preventing jobs. The seal that goes through the...
Yes, I know, it's a stuffing box.
That needed to be replaced, about 7 years old. It was leaking a little bit, and that's all new. Did that. Also checked the seacock where the cooling water comes in to cool off the engine. I was a little concerned about that and hadn't checked it. So we checked it, took it apart, cleaned it all up, and re-siliconed the whole thing. And the valve is solid, important piece. That's where all the cooling water comes in, and it's don't want it to bust because that would definitely sink your boat. So
Arona had replaced the cutlass bearing, which was very worn out, as well as the prop was back on, and he had a zinc anode custom made for Galopin.
Now we're all done. It's time to go get something to eat. Delicious African Senegalese food. Me and Wendy love it here, man. It's dynamite. The food is awesome.
Favorite place to eat right here. Lunch with a drink costs about $3 a piece. They make food for lots of people in the neighborhood. As you may have noticed, Wendy got rid of her braids, and she wanted to try another place after lunch. And they insisted that we eat with them too. Meanwhile, Arona took me to the bank machine. But we felt a problem with his scooter. Yup, there's the culprit, a big-ass nail. But no worries, boys here got the job done in minutes.
Okay, we're almost done here. There's one snag. The cable broke while tugging us up here on this cart. And now there's a guy here, diver. I think he's gonna go and fix the cable, splice it. So hopefully we can get back into the water, because otherwise we're stuck here on land. And let me tell you, the mosquito action is murderous. We murdered tons of mosquitoes. Say hello to some of the mosquito carnage in my bed from last night. We did better yesterday. Put up all the mosquito netting and stuff, but much nicer out there in the water in here. So let's hope the cable gets fixed and we can get Galopin back in the water.
Yep, that dude gave his goat a bath. This is why we had to wait.
That's the cable that's broken. It's broken somewhere. Hopefully the guy will come tomorrow, Monday, splice it, get Galopin back in the water. Otherwise we're stuck next to the mosquito cesspool. I got faith in Arona. We'll get you back in the water, Galopin, soon. Tomorrow, inshallah. God willing. Si Deus quiser.
Got to be patient as a sailor. There's plenty of distractions like this badass kitty who doesn't take any dog shit. Such is life here at CVD. Not bad, really. I mean, look. Oh, crap. I almost forgot. She's doing great. And made some friends. She'd love to speak French if she could. And she's all dolled up for next week's pirate adventure.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.